Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how to get a free 6k account, a free $6,000 account from your peeps, a funded account from your peeps, and you just be doing a total of 4 tasks to get this account. So yeah. Alright, so how to claim this account? If you scroll down, you can see how to claim your free $6,000 your peeps funded trading account. So if you scroll down, you see you have to do like some tax, just for tax, to like claim this $6,000 funding prop firm, funded prop firm again. So now you're going to leave a review on their app store. Now after leaving a review on their app, you're going to go to Trustpilot to leave a review, to leave a 5-star review. After doing that, you go to their After doing that, you go to their Discord or email to submit the 2 proofs: the App Store or Play Store review and the Trustpilot review. You send them either by email or by Telegram. So Discord. So I'm using Discord now. I'll copy this text and I'll open their Discord server. Okay, the image should look like this. You drop your App Store review and the Trustpilot review plus the text you copied on the sites, then send it. Now after submitting it to their Discord or their email, go back, then press this funded. Now admin verification and 6,000 account received. They will verify your tax. After they verify your tax, they will send your login to your email, MT5 login to your email. So that's just it on how to get a free 6k account from your peeps.